Well, finally tonight, Pope Francis has described the internet as a gift from God, and he is seeing some godly numbers on his first day on Instagram. 1 million followers and counting, on track to beat even David Beckham on his first day. Hashtag Instapope is, yes, now a very real thing.
With the tap of a finger, almost as if from on high, His Holiness joined the masses. His first picture, the Pope deep in prayer, the words, "Pray for me," in 9 languages. Today, the new account at Franciscus, Latin for Francis, attracting more than 100,000 followers per hour. Pope Francis going viral faster than you can say, holy hashtag.
Pictures of Pope Francis go viral, so it's a match made in heaven, you could say.
Instagram CEO there for the big launch.
The power of an image was that it could transcend culture or language, and it can speak to anyone, anywhere in the world. The sky's really the limit for him.
New traditions for an old institution. This Pope already perfecting the photo op from the first family to little Christopus. During his U.S. visit last year, I even got in on the action. Hashtag selfie goals. Pope Francis might already be the coolest pope of all, but if he is praying for true Instagram success, he'll have to step up his selfie game. Hashtag blessed.
1 million followers and counting already. GMA and This Week in the Morning. We will see you right back here tomorrow night with, of course, David's special broadcast from Cuba. Thank you for joining us on this Saturday. I'm Cecilia Vega. Have a great night.